Every man wants more. A better body, a clearer mind, more money, more respect, more control over his life. But there's a truth that hits harder than anything else. Nothing changes if you don't change. You can wish for a better life. You can wait for the perfect moment. You can blame your past, your family, your environment. You can talk about your goals for years. But if you don't change, nothing around you will. Your habits run your life. Your discipline defines your results. Your effort determines your future. If you remain the same man, you will live the same life, the same routine, the same problems, the same frustrations, the same disappointments. But the day you decide to say, I'm done, I'm tired of hiding, I'm tired of being lazy, I'm tired of being average, and you actually act on it, everything begins to shift, because life doesn't get better by accident. Life gets better when you get better. Remember this, nothing changes if you don't change. But once you do, everything starts moving with you. Change yourself before trying to change your life. Everyone wants their life to level up, but almost no man is willing to level up himself first. They want the comfort of their routine, but the results of a man who gives everything. They want to live soft, but harvest the fruits of the one who lives with fire. They want the body, the money, the respect, the discipline, but they keep acting like the same weak version as always. And that is the problem. Many want to change, but refuse to change themselves. They want success without sacrifice, confidence without consistency, strength without struggle, respect without responsibility, a powerful identity built with weak habits, a winning life built with a losing mindset. But life doesn't reward the one who wants. Life rewards the one who becomes. You want a new life? Then you need to rebuild your identity from the ground up. Not a hype version that works hard for 3 days and then quits, but a stable, disciplined, serious version who moves like he was made for more. A man who doesn't talk about change, he lives it. A man who doesn't wait for inspiration, he creates it. A man who doesn't fear pressure, he performs under it. This is what it means to be a masculine, grounded, powerful man, to take responsibility for everything you are and everything you are not yet, and to refuse to stay average. Change how you think. Stop letting weak thoughts sabotage a strong future. Change how you move. Walk with purpose, with awareness, like a man who knows where he's going. Change how you behave. Shoulders back, chest open, a presence that's felt without saying a word. Change how you respond when life hits you. Not with panic, not with excuses, but with calmness, decision, and courage. Because your habits sculpt your destiny, whether you like it or not. Your mindset chooses your direction, whether you move forward, stay stuck, or go backward. Your discipline decides whether you reach your potential or stay trapped in the same cycle forever. Your life isn't waiting for luck. It's waiting for you to evolve. It's waiting for the disciplined you, the focused you, the consistent you, the serious you, the man who gets up and refuses to break the promises he made to himself. Picture that version of you. You wake up with intention, you move with certainty, you speak with conviction. Your actions align with your goals. Your energy becomes sharper, heavier, more dominant. You don't react emotionally. You respond logically. You don't break under pressure. You solidify. You don't seek validation. You validate yourself through your actions. People begin treating you differently, not because they changed, but because you changed. They feel your standards went up. Your discipline became real. Your presence got heavier. Your self-respect increased, and the world reflects it back to you. Your old habits fall away. Your old weaknesses fade. Your old identity dies, and a new, stronger one takes its place. That's what real transformation looks like. It's not flashy. It's not loud. It's not for show. It's internal, stable, unbreakable. And here's the masculine truth. Nobody is coming to save you. Nobody is coming to push you. Nobody is coming to change you. Everything depends on you. It always has. You want a powerful life? Become a powerful man. You want a respected life? Be a respectable man. When you change, your focus becomes dangerous. Your self-control becomes rare. Your path becomes clear. And your reality begins to bend around the man you are becoming. You're not just changing your life. You're improving the man who will lead it, protect it, build it, dominate it. And it all begins with one thing: brutal honesty. Before a man builds strength, success, discipline, or respect, he has to enter one battlefield, the battlefield of truth. Not the soft truth you tell your friends, not the convenient truth you tell yourself so you can sleep better. I'm talking about the truth that strips you bare, that exposes every excuse, every weakness, every moment you chose comfort over growth. Most men run from that truth their whole lives. They hide behind distractions, entertainment, cheap dopamine, empty promises. But you, not anymore. Because there's a moment in every man's life when he looks around and says, I built this, good or bad, I built it. And that realization hits like a punch to the gut. But that punch is the beginning of your transformation. Listen carefully. Stop saying tomorrow. The man who waits for the perfect moment becomes the man who never starts. You don't need the ideal moment. You need a decision, a masculine, firm, final decision. Stop saying I'm trying. Trying is lukewarm effort. Trying means I want this, while your actions whisper not really. Stop acting like you're giving your best when you know you're just surviving. Stop expecting results from work you didn't do. Stop believing that the life you dream of will magically appear just because you think positively. Life is not a motivational quote. Life is a mirror, and that mirror reflects exactly who you are when no one is watching. So stand in front of the mirror, on your feet, shoulders firm, back straight, eyes locked on your own eyes, and ask yourself without blinking, am I doing everything I can, or am I lying to myself? This is the truth you must swallow like fire. Your life is the sum of your habits. Your habits are the sum of your standards. And your standards are the sum of what you've allowed. Your body is the result of every meal, every workout, every excuse. Your confidence is built from every promise you kept and every one you broke. Your future is behind the walls you keep avoiding. And yes, that truth burns, and it should burn. That burn is the death of your weak version, because inside you there's a man with more power than you've been showing. A man who doesn't break, who doesn't hide, who doesn't negotiate with laziness, who acts not when he feels like it, but because that's who he is. But that man won't appear until you stop protecting your old self. He won't appear until you stop pampering your excuses. He won't appear until you decide truly that the man you are today is not enough for the life you want tomorrow. This path isn't pretty. It isn't glamorous. It isn't Instagram motivation. It's raw. It's lonely. It's uncomfortable. It's brutal. It's you versus the you that wants to stay soft, and every day you choose who wins. When the alarm rings, when the workout hurts, when discipline feels heavy, when everyone else quits, when your mind wants to go back to easy. Those moments forge a different kind of man. A man with a spine of steel, a man with fire in his chest, a man who commands respect without saying a word. And it all starts with one thing: brutal honesty. Because when you stop lying to yourself, when you face the truth with open eyes and a firm mind, when you admit exactly where you are and why you're there, you unlock the power to become who you're meant to be. Not someday, not when things get easier, not when you feel ready. Now, this moment is the door. Walk through it like a man. Ending, if this hit you, comment below. I'm going to change. So I know you made it to the end, and that you're one of the few who don't just listen, they act. See you in the next one.